Hey, Bob here. I probably shouldn't tell you this one, but I just added it to my collection. Most people would ignore something like this. You shouldn't. A girl named Lily started finding answers in her notebook. Not notes she wrote, answers to questions she never asked. At first, they seemed helpful. Yes, there will be a pop quiz tomorrow. No, Jake doesn't like you back. But then they got darker. The accident happens on Tuesday. Your parents are getting divorced next month. You have exactly 47 days left. Every single answer came true. The handwriting looked like hers, but written backwards. So she set up cameras to catch whoever was doing this. That's when she discovered the truth. It was her. Her future self had learned to write backwards through time, desperately trying to warn her past self about tragedies. But there was one final answer she hadn't read yet, and reading it would trap her in a time loop forever, making her the question writer. Yeah, I added this one to my collection for a reason.